Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Well, you know, before lockdown, we were studying trigonometry and we have reached up to the exercise 8.4 and up to the question number 4. Now we have to solve the questions of the solve the different parts of the question number 5, where we have to prove different types of the identities. By already knowing few of the identities, we have to use them in question number 5 and have to derive them. First of all, we must be knowing, as I have already told you, what is a trigonometric identity. So an equation involving trigonometric ratios of an angle is called a trigonometric identity if it is true for all the values of the angles involved. And where we have studied and derived some of the trigonometric identities: cos square a plus sin square a, that is equal to 1 plus tan square a, that is equal to sec square a, 1 plus cot square a, that is equal to cosec square a. These three trigonometric identities I have already derived in my previous class. While now we will study how to use these trigonometric identities and prove some of the other trigonometric identities which are already put in the question number 5. Let's go to the. We have proved the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which expressions are defined. Like we have first part, cosec theta minus cot theta ka whole square, that is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. I have to solve this question. Okay. Now, before solving, I have to keep in mind that I have some of the identities, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, that is equal to sec square theta, 1 plus cot square theta, that is equal to cosec square theta. Now, before I have already kept these things in mind. Now we will solve this question. For solving, I will first take LHS of the question, that is cosec theta minus cot theta ka whole square. Now, as we know, cosec theta is a reciprocal of the sin theta, so I will write this in terms of 1 by sin theta minus, and cot theta I know that is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta, and that's whole square. Okay. As the denominator is same, so I will use only 1 sin theta, and in numerator I will write, and this is whole 1 minus cos theta, and this whole square. Now I will be writing 1 by 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin square theta. As I was discussing, we have some identities like sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. So I am using this expression in the LHS. That is sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Right? Therefore, LHS becomes, that is 1 minus cos theta ka whole square divided by 1 minus cos square theta. As I can say, this is also like this: 1 minus cos theta ka whole square divided by 1 square minus cos square theta. I can write this because 1 square is equal to 1. I am writing this because I am using the algebraic identity here, because we know using a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, my LHS is equal to 1 minus cos theta का whole square divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. I can write 1 minus cos theta का whole square means it is 2 times. I will write 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta whole divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, that will get cancelled. So the expression becomes 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. When we go to the question, there it is RHS. So I can write this is equal to RHS. So we can say LHS is equal to RHS. That means by using the one of the trigonometric identities, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1, I have proved cosec theta minus cot theta ka whole square, that is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Well, understand? Now we will go to the second part of the question, that is cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A, that is equal to twice sec A. So we will be solving this question. Most of the times this is asked in the exam. So for solving this, I will write the LHS. LHS is cos of A divided by 1 plus sin of A plus 1 plus sin of A divided by cos of A. First of all, we will be doing simple mathematics, that is cross multiplication. When we go for cross multiplication, cos theta into cos theta means cos square theta plus 1 plus sin A, cos A into cos A means cos square A, 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, that means 1 plus sin A, 2 बार है, whole square divided by 1 plus sin A into cos of A. Simple. Now cos square A plus, here we use identity A plus B का whole square, using A plus B का whole square, that is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So it will be 1 square plus sin square A plus twice 1 into sin of A whole divided by 1 plus sin of A into cos of A. Good. Now when we simplify this, I will write cos square A plus sin square A. 1 square means 1 plus twice sin of A whole divided by 1 plus sin of A into cos of A. We will be using the trigonometric identity, that is cos square A plus sin square A, that is equal to 1. When we use this, our LHS becomes, that is cos square A plus sin square A, that is equal to 1 plus 1 plus twice sin of A whole divided by 1 plus sine of A into cos of A. This is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2 plus twice sine of A whole divided by 1 plus sine of A into cos of A. 2 कॉमन निकालेंगे, that is 1 plus sine of A whole divided by 1 plus sine of A into cos of A. 1 plus sine of A, 1 plus sine of A, they will get cancelled. That is equal to, so LHS becomes 2 divided by cos of A. As we know, 1 by cos is equal to sec. That is the sec is the reciprocal of the cos, so we will write twice sec of A. When we go to the question, here we have to prove that cos A divided by 1 plus sine A plus 1 plus sine A divided by cos A, that is equal to twice sec A. That it means that we have proved. So I can write, therefore, first of all, therefore LHS is equal to RHS. I think you have understood a bit. So I discussed the two questions, that is cosec theta minus cot theta ka whole square, that is 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So here we write LHS first, that is cosec theta minus cot theta. I simply changed it into the sine and cos and sine. Then I used the identity, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1, and in the end I derived the result. Concern was that how to use the already discussed identities, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and 1 plus tan square theta, that is equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta, that is equal to cosec square. Simple concern is how to use these identities to obtain different types of the identities. While I think you must have gone easily through these things, so we will be discussing some other parts in our next lecture. Thank you.